Listen up, guys. I'm gonna show you our cabin that we have in here. And so we have, a fridge. We've got a kitchen table. Our fridge is full of, the essentials: beer, food. It's got some bunk beds, a real bed. It's got a bathroom. It's got AC. So it's really not that bad. This is pretty dope. It's a little chilly outside, but we're managing. As you can see, we've got a lot of good shit here.
It's going to be
You got one? Still walking back from where we started. And we've got some rapids up ahead. Everyone is really slow. Just too fast. Like getting